Nandito tayo ngayon sa isang gym area wherein kung mapapansin natin, yung elevation ng toilet area niya ay mas mataas over sa hallway niya. So, ang problem ngayon ng contractor is that paano namin gagawin na mas mataas yung elevation ng hallway compared dito sa toilet area. Meaning, kailangan namin gumawa ng konting slope towards the toilet area. Marahil ang naisip ninyo, there are two ways to solve this. One is to use sand cement mix or to use the tile adhesive. So, explain ko lang bakit hindi. Kung makikita mo, meron siyang almost 1.5 inch or 30 mm na hahabulin up to 10 mm. We do not recommend to use the thick bed method in tiling. Pangalawa, hindi rin namin siya nire-recommend na gumamit ka ng tile adhesive dahil hindi siya magiging evenly spread sa likod ng tiles. Ano ang tamang solution for this situation? Gumamit na lang tayo ng HARDCRETE 310. Okay, so HARDCRETE 310 is a cementitious crete that is blended with aggregates and cement and some additives para magkaroon siya ng compressive strength of around 3,500 PSI after 28 days. No, so this can be applied at a minimum thickness of 10 mm. Imagine mo, 10 mm at 3,500 PSI, mataas po yun.